How you doing, folks? This is Put On Your Lid. I restore old vintage motorcycles, and I just want to show you exactly what I have in a quick run around my garage. Okay, folks, these are sanding equipment here. These are sort of electrical. These are polishing equipments here. These are paints here. These are polishes here. These are for brakes and for suspension here. These are all little bits and bobs. Down here I have all sorts of oils and cleaners and whatever, and brushes. I have an ultrasonic cleaner there. I charge my batteries here. I have all little bits and pieces and parts all over the table. I have all little screws and all little nuts and bolts that you will be needing. I have screwdrivers, I have more screwdrivers, I have more screwdrivers, I have other tools, I have special tools, I have wrenches here, I have special tools to take off special parts, and I have a lot more. So if you're going to be restoring a motorcycle, folks, you're gonna need an awful lot of things, and I'm not done yet. Have a look at all this. Go onto my channel and have a little look at it. It's worth your while. Like and subscribe if you like motorcycles and if you like motorcycle restorations, because you'll enjoy my channel. I think you will. See you. Bye.